You're only one click away from hundreds of free, viral visitors in as little as 60 seconds. Even if you have no tech skills and no experience. Are you sick and tired of seeing your PayPal account empty every day? Have you tried everything you know about affiliate marketing but still not getting the desired results you wished for? Only 3 steps to start. Step 1, copy. Step 2, past. Step 3, earn money. To make absolutely sure you get the best results possible, I've created the ultimate step-by-step guide that will take you by the hand and show you exactly how everything is done, even if you're a total beginner. The reason most people, especially beginners like you, are still stuck is because you're dabbling and not taking things seriously. You're lazy, suffer from shiny object syndrome, don't believe this really works, lack energy, drive and motivation, no support from family. Now it's your turn to enjoy free viral traffic and sales. Congrats, your search is over. Affiliate Marketing Boss levels the playing field for the small guy who's just starting out. It's designed and built for the beginner to get viral visitors. And you can effortlessly get viral visitors without tech skills, without being on camera, without setting up funnels, without previous experience, without paid advertising. The key to real online success is getting free buyer leads. Here's why buyer leads is so powerful. You can work a lot less and spend your time doing the things that you want to do. With free traffic, you can create real passive streams of income without using any paid traffic source. Making money while you sleep is the ultimate rush and the key to creating a life of freedom. You never look for ROI after today because every dollar you make is going to your bank account. Happiness and fulfillment, freedom at every level, more free time, a good night's sleep. Why you need this? First, you will get infinity free traffic for your offers. Second, passive income provides you with the freedom in your life to do the things you want to do, when you want to do them. Third, imagine being able to go on vacation and getting paid. Fourth, and the best part is, you're getting paid while you do the things that you want to do. Over the past 7 years as a digital marketer, I've tried a lot of different methods. Truth be told, very few of them actually worked. But I kept coming back to affiliate marketing and list building. Because no matter what's happening in the economy, people need solutions to problems, and continue to pay for them. With a list and an affiliate account, you can get a slice of those never-ending sales. It's worked for me. I'm now one of the top earning affiliate marketers on one platform, and a platinum ranked vendor on another. So I've put all my experience step-by-step system that allows anyone to get buyers traffic for free and to do what I do, without the learning curve or expensive trial and error. Introducing Affiliate Marketing Boss. Free traffic to get high-quality buyers leads. Inside this you will find step-by-step training learn you how to get traffic for free. Still wondering how this benefits you? It's literally freedom in a box. All what you have to do is follow my step-by-step method. You will never see this method anywhere else. This is a secret method that only some marketers know about it. We used this method in the last 3 years, making $200 or more per day. Why this method is better than paid traffic? Because you will get targeted free traffic. There is a lot of buyers out there waiting to buy what you will offer for them. Imagine getting thousands of real people to see your offer. Would you make money? Well, you're in luck because we've designed this to absolutely blow other traffic methods out of the water. While other traffic sources are downright annoying, this one is underused and an absolute breeze. Don't worry, there's no Google ads, no solo ads, no blogging, no YouTubing, no hard work, no hassles. Get over $427 in bonuses for free when you get Commission Boss. Bonus number 1, copy my cash secret, cost $172. A step-by-step guide on how you can create effective sales letters that appeal to your customers' curiosity. Bonus number 2, ultimate passive income, cost $128. Step-by-step guide reveals how to create multiple passive income streams and make money while you sleep. Bonus number 3, Facebook Messenger bot marketing, cost $127. How to leverage this emerging platform to grow your target audience. This is a game-changing traffic source that's as abundant as the 4 oceans. And it's all automated traffic on demand. In a matter of a few clicks, start sending free traffic directly to your offers.